Dear students, in the previous video we have read with about the parts of a leaf, and in the previous video I have shown you this mango leaf, and I have told you about different parts of this mango leaf. Now I am repeating the name of these parts. This portion of the leaf that I am holding now in between my pinch, in the pinch I am holding, you see, with simply holding this much, whole of the leaf can stand. If you hold here, the leaf will fall down, can you see? But if I hold at this place, you can see the leaf can stand erect, or it can resist its strain, right? So this portion that I am holding in my pinch, this portion of the leaf is known as leaf base. And this leaf base, a cylindrical structure, extends from the leaf base and goes up to the tip of this leaf. Extreme end of the leaf is known as tip, as this is pointed. You have pencil tip, pen tip, right? Our tip is this one. This is our tip, right? Extreme top end. So extreme end of the leaf is known as leaf tip, and this structure that goes or extends from the leaf base and goes up to the tip, this is called the midrib. And from midrib you can see further branching is there. These branches are called the veins. And from veins further branching, that is called the veinlet. You can see here network like structures in between these veins. Can you see? In between the veins, the network like structures. This side it is prominent. You can see it is swollen or little bit out, protruding above the surface. If you feel, keeping your hand, you can feel them, they are present there in between the veins, right? Some of them I have shaded also. So these are called the veinlet. And this full flat portion of the leaf, on which these different parts are arranged, is known as lamina. Clear? So this is lamina of the leaf. This is upper lamina or upper surface. This is lower lamina or lower surface of the leaf, right? So these are the different parts. You are in class 6. I have told you 6 different parts of the leaf. First one, leaf base, midrib, tip. 3, margin. 4, veins. 5, veinlet. 6, and this flat portion, lamina. 7. So 7 parts I have told you. Now I will take one more leaf in my hand, and you have to see what is the difference in the two, right? Now you see I have one more leaf in my hand. Can you see this leaf? Do you notice any difference? Yes. Don't be smarter. Don't simply say, so one is green and the other one is dried leaf. No, don't say so. That is no doubt. That is the difference between these two leaves. I didn't wanted to pluck a green leaf from the plant to avoid the loss in that plant. So you just observe the veins of these leaves, right? Can you see the veins in this leaf that I am showing now, the gray color? Before going ahead, can you tell me the name of the plant whose leaf I have taken in my hand? Yes, this is a, yes, this is a bamboo leaf. I have a bamboo leaf in my hand, right? And now you see I am holding the leaf base of mango. So now I am holding the same structure here in case of the bamboo leaf. Now both the leaves I held by their leaf base, right? And from the leaf base I have told you a structure. You can clearly see the structure, cylindrical structure from the leaf base. It goes, you can see this goes up to the extreme tip of the leaf, this up to here, right? So no, there is no change in this midrib position, but branching from the midrib is not seen there in this leaf. Here you see You have seen from this midrib branches have come out, right? So it is not seen in this case. In this case, what is there? Like this main midrib, equally parallel midrib like thin veins are developing. You can see the lines here very clearly. You can see these are the veins, but here veins are independent. These veins are not emerging or not coming out from this midrib. From this midrib the veins are not coming out, they are just developing parallel to the midrib. This is the main difference, right? So you see, this is one kind of leaf that I am holding in my left hand, that is the mango leaf, and the right hand I have held one bamboo leaf. And the major difference between them is, all other things are being same, the major difference is regarding the arrangement of these veins. So this pattern of arrangement of these veins on this mango leaf is very different from the pattern of arrangement of leaves, arrangement of veins on this bamboo leaf. In this bamboo leaf you can see the veins, they are emerging parallel to the midrib, whereas in this one they are going just slight vertical or to the midrib, or they are emerging out, coming out from the midrib, but here they are independent, they are just parallel to this midrib. So this pattern of arrangement of veins, seeing these two differences, we have classified the leaves on this basis of this pattern of arrangement of veins, right? So some plants, they have this type of leaf, some plants have this type of leaf, some plants have this type of venation, some plants have this type of venation, right? So we have named this venation. Venation is the pattern, the way, the design, how these veins are arranged on the leaf lamina, right? Now let us come to the board. I will draw both the pictures. You need to copy in your notebook, in your biology notebook, and accordingly you have to follow the class, right? So first I will draw this mango leaf so that we can do a comparative study, right? So mango leaf, in the previous video I already have drawn, right? So main thing that we have to read about is, we have to compare, and this is mango leaf. Let me write different parts of this. You will tell me this time. This one is leaf base, leaf base. This one is this one is midrib. This one is midrib. This one is tip. This one is margin. These are veins. This and this one vein, right? And this flat portion is lamina, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is remaining? Yes, what is remaining? Which part of the that you have not written? Yes, one more part, that from the veins further branching, these are called the veinlets. You must remember, we have read about 7 different parts of the leaf. Now I am drawing another leaf that I had in my hand. This bamboo leaf I will draw, and then we will compare both the leaves, right? So you see, right? So here the difference, major difference, this one is, what is this? Leaf base, right? And this one is margin, and this one is midrib. Where is the vein? Where are the veins located? You can see very clearly the veins are located just parallel, starting from this base margin and going up to the just, they are moving parallel. So here what will be the shape of the veins now? You see veins go like this. I am drawing the veins. Can you see? These are the veins now. Veins are going parallel to the midrib. This is the major difference between these two leaves, that the veins, they go parallel. Let me darken or color red the midrib. The midrib I am just coloring in this midrib I am coloring in red, right? And to both the sides of the midrib you can see these structures are the veins. And do you find veinlets in this? Do you find veinlets in this? Yes, veinlets are there, but as this leaf has dried, is not very clearly visible. From these veinlets also develop like this. From every vein slide, veinlets also develop. And this is full shape. Flattened structure is lamina. So let me label all these parts: vein, midrib, margin, and this one is veinlet, and this one is this one is tip. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and what is remaining now? This flat structure, this full flat structure is lamina, on which these are arranged. So here one aspect that you must know is the distinction of leaf based on this pattern of arrangement of veins, right? So because of these veins we have two different kinds of leaves. Clear? So here you must know a question comes: what is venation? What is venation? So venation is, your answer will be the pattern of arrangement of veins on the leaf lamina is called venation. Is the pattern of arrangement. Here the veins are arranged parallel to the midrib. Here the veins are not parallel, they are developing either slightly perpendicular or angular to the midrib, right? So next question we have about the kinds of venation. So second question for the day is: what are the kinds of venation? What are the kinds of venation? Your answer will be, there are two kinds of venation, right? They are, or next question can be formed: name the kinds of venation. Name the kinds of venation. Name the kinds of venation. Your answer will be: first one, parallel venation. venation, and second one is reticulate venation. Reticulate venation, parallel venation and reticulate venation. Then another question you may have, what is the difference between reticulate and parallel venation? What is the difference? Answer. The difference is, in the parallel venation case, the veins are arranged or they develop parallel to the midrib of the leaf, as in bamboo, right? But one more thing you must note, that sometimes they are parallel to the midrib and sometimes they may not be parallel, but the veins are parallel with each other. Veins are parallel. I will give you one more example of another leaf. I am drawing here. You see, I am drawing here one more leaf. One more leaf. Here the veins are parallel like this. Veins are parallel to each other, not with the midrib, right? So here the basic thing that you can write is, the veins are parallel to each other. That will be better answer, right? What is this leaf? Banana leaf. Banana. This one was bamboo leaf. So bamboo and banana have parallel venation. So in the parallel venation, the veins are arranged to develop parallel to the midrib of the leaf, as in bamboo, or parallel to each other. Whereas in reticulate, they are not parallel. They are not parallel, right? Whereas in reticulate, they are not parallel. One more question you may have. Next question. Today how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth question. You have one more question, fifth question. And the fifth question is, give examples. Give 5 examples each. 5 examples each of plants with reticulate and parallel venation. Right? Your answer will be reticulate. For reticulate, example mango, neem, fig, ficus. Ficus means people, okay? People. Then berry, mango, neem, fig, ficus, berry, and so many are there, right? And for parallel, this one is for reticulate, and for parallel, Parallel you can write. The first one is just now you heard about bamboo. Bamboo. The second one you can say maize. You have seen maize or the popcorns you use or cornflakes you use. Alright. Maize. The third one is sugar cane. The fourth one is sorghum. The fifth one is banana. So if you compare these leaves, what you will notice, the veins are not arranged parallel. Sorry, the veins are arranged parallel in case of parallel venation, whereas in certain cases the veins are not parallel. So important thing is the veins either may be parallel to the midrib or parallel to each other, as in bamboo. Parallel to the midrib as in bamboo, and in sugarcane also you can see this pattern, and in that maize also you can see that pattern, right? But in banana it is different, they are parallel to each other. So these veins, when they are parallel, it's called parallel venation. When they are not parallel, they are called as reticulate venation. So there are two kinds of venation that you have to know. One is reticulate venation, as this example, and another one is parallel. That's all in this video. And today's questions, all these questions you must complete in your notebook along with the date and day, right? So that's all in this video. We will talk or discuss the next thing. The next thing that we have to discuss is about the arrangement of leaves on the branches, right? That arrangement of leaves and kinds of leaves based on the type of lamina they have. Now we have distinguished the leaf on based on that arrangement of veins. Now lamina also, if you compare, mango leaf is having, you see mango leaf is having one lamina. Neem leaf, so many small leaflets, right? The berry leaves, gooseberry, right, they are very small leaflet. Tamarind, they are very small leaflets. So we'll talk about the leaves in the next video as regards the arrangement on the branches and as well as it regards their lamina. We will distinguish. We have to read so many things about the leaves, right? That's all. Have a good day. Take care.